How to log in into Lloyds Bank Employees Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Lloyds Bank Employee Portal and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.espportal.com. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. Type in your last name, type in your date of birth, then type in the NI or a tax number. Now type in your Share Plans portal or Share View password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. This way, you can easily log in into Lloyds Bank Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.